Have you ever spent hours scrolling through TikTok seeing all those videos I made 10k in a month with dropshipping videos and thought, man, I want to do that too, but had no clue where to start? Or maybe you are already tried dropshipping, but you struggle to find the right product, got stuck with source suppliers, or end up with making just a few dollars in profits. Well, today in this video, I'm going to show you a super simple 5-step method to find high profit products on Doba, a dropshipping platform that can actually make this process a whole lot easier. And by the end of the video, you will know exactly how to pick the right products, avoid common mistakes, and boost your earnings. So if you are serious about dropshipping and want to start making real money, stick around. And if you like videos about AI tools, online business, and e-commerce hacks, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out future content. Now, before we get into the product finding strategy, let me quickly explain why I choose Doba and why you might want to use it too. So if you have ever tried dropshipping before, you know the biggest struggle is finding good suppliers. You don't want to deal with slow shipping, unreliable vendors, or products that look nothing like the photos. That's where Doba comes in. Doba is a US-based dropshipping platform that connects you directly with trusted suppliers, many of them based in the US. This means faster shipping, better quality control, and fewer head catches. It also makes running your store ridiculously simple. So here how it works. You browse Doba huge product catalog and pick what you want to sell. You signing those products directly to platforms like Shopify, Amazon, eBay, and Walmart with just a few clicks. And when someone orders from your store, the supplier ships the product straight to your customer. Means no buying inventory upfront, no packaging, no dealing with warehouses, just focus on selling and Doba handles the rest. And the best part, unlike some other platforms, they charge huge upfront fees. You can start Doba for just $0.99. Yeah, less than $1. Alright, now that you know why Doba is a solid choice, let's go into 5-step method to find winning products. So our first step is log into your Doba account. If you don't have one, you can easily sign up for it, and you can watch this video on my channel. Now go to the categories section where you will find options like electronics, home essentials, beauty fitness gear, pet accessories, and many more. Now here's an important tip. Don't just pick random products. The key to making money is selecting a niche that people are actually spending money on. For example, here are some of the most profitable niches. The first one is tech gadgets and smart accessories. Think about items like wireless chargers, LED gadgets, and smartwatches. People love cool, useful tech, especially if it makes life easier. The second one is home and kitchen essentials. Space-saving organizers, smart lighting, and electric choppers are in high demand because they solve everyday problems and make home life more convenient. Next one is fitness and health products. Resistant bands and especially posture correctors and massage gun are perfect for people looking to stay fit at home, especially with the growing trend of home workouts. Number 4 is pet accessories. Pet owners are always looking for smart pet feeders, grooming tools, and fun chew toys to keep their furry friends happy. And the last but not the least, car accessories. Things like phone holders, car vacuum cleaners, and LED interior lights makes driving more convenient and stylish, which car enthusiasts love. And always remember, a good product should solve a problem, be lightweight and easy to shape, have a cool or unique factor, and most important, not to be easily available in local stores. So pick wisely and you will increase your chances of success. Now once you have picked the category, take your time to look through the products. Try to shortlist at least 5 to 10 before moving on. This way you will have the backup options in case one does not work out. Step 2 is check product trends and avoid dead product. Just because a product looks cool does not mean people will buy it. You need to check if there's an actual demand before jumping in. Here's how you can do it step by step. First, Google Trends. Type the product name and check if the search interest is going up or down. If it's trending upward, that's a good sign. If it's dropping, it means people are losing interest, so it's best to avoid it. Second is Amazon bestsellers. Go to Amazon and check if similar products are ranking high in the bestseller list. If a product is constantly in the top spots, it means there is a strong demand. Number 3 is TikTok and Instagram. Search hashtags like hashtag trending products or hashtag TikTok made me buy it. If the product is appearing in viral videos, it's already getting attention, which could mean easier sales. The fourth one is Facebook Marketplace and eBay sold listings. These platforms show what people are actively buying. If a product has a lot of recent sales, it's a clear sign that buyers are interested. For example, let's say you find a portable mini blender on Doba. First, you check Google Trends and see that searches for it are increasing. Then you look at Amazon bestseller list and it's ranking in the top 10 for kitchen gadgets. Next, you check TikTok and there are tons of videos showing people using it, some with millions of views. Finally, you check eBay sold listing and see that plenty of these blenders have recently been sold. So that's a green flag. It means people are not just interested, they are actually buying it. Doing this quick research before picking a product can save you from wasting time and money on something that won't sell. Step 3 is find high profit products. Now comes the most important part, profit margins. Picking the wrong product could mean selling a lot but making little to no money. Here's how to find high profit products on Doba step by step. First, check the wholesale price. Look at how much Doba is selling the product for. For example, let's say a product is listed for $10. Second, compare it with the market price. Search for the same or similar product on Amazon, eBay or Walmart. If you see it selling for $25 or $30, that's a good sign. This means there is a price difference that allows you to make a solid profit. The next one is calculate the profit margins. After factoring in shipping costs, transaction fees and advertising costs, you should aim for at least 30 to 50% profit margin. If your cost is $10 and you sell it for $30, that's a 66% margin before expenses, which is great. Now here are the key things you should not to do when picking a product. The first one is avoid products under $5. They might seem like a good deal, but after shipping, transaction fees and possible ads, there are almost no profit left. Plus, a super cheap product often feel low quality, which can lead to be bad reviews. Second is stay away from expensive products. These are harder to sell because people hesitate before spending big money online. They also have a higher return rate, which can be a hit catcher for you. Next one is skip complex electronics. Anything with too many moving parts or tech features can break easily, leading to refunds, complaints, and negative reviews. Number 4 is avoid competitive products. If hundreds of sellers are already pushing the same item, it will be tough to stand out. Instead, look for unique versions of trending products to give yourself an edge. Now, if you want good profit margin, you need to pick the right type of product. Here are some of the best categories that are trending and have high demand. The first one is smart home gadgets. People love tech that make their life easier. Things like LED lamps, motion sensor lights, and smart plugs are popular because they add convenience without breaking the bank. The second one is unique kitchen tools. These products go viral all the time. Ever seen those self-streaming mugs or electronic visual troppers on TikTok? They solve small problems in a fun way, making them easy to sell. The next one is beauty and skincare devices. The beauty industry is massive and people are always looking for new self-care tools. Products like facial streamers, electric massagers, and blackhead removers are in high demand, especially among skincare lovers. Number 4 is wireless and LED gadgets. Anything with Bluetooth or LED lights sells well because it feels modern and trendy. Bluetooth speakers, smart rings, and LED phone case are great choices. Number 5 is pet accessories. Pet owners love spending money on their furry friends. Products like automatic feeders, grooming kits, and interactive toys sell consistently because they solve everyday pet care needs. So when picking the products, think about what makes them special. If it's useful, has a cool factor, is not super common in stores, you are on the right track. Step number 4 is avoid high competition and be different. Now here's something important. Just because a product is selling well does not mean you should sell it too. If hundreds of sellers are already offering the same item, it's going to be tough to stand out. So how do you avoid high competition and find unique products? Here are some key things to check. Search for the product on Amazon, AliExpress, and eBay. If there are thousands of results, that means too many sellers are already in the game. Instead, look for products with fewer sellers with good demand. The second one is find unique features. Don't just sell the same version of a product as everyone else. Try to find a slightly different or improved version. For example, instead of regular wireless earbuds, look for LED earbuds with noise cancellation, something that makes them stand out. The next one is check customer reviews. This is a gold mine for finding gaps in the market. See what people are complaining about in similar products, then find a better version on Doba. If everyone is saying battery life is too short, then find one with longer battery life and highlight that in your listing. Look for supplier variety. If you see a product that's only available from 1 or 2 suppliers on Doba, it means there are less competition. But if every supplier has it, chances are the market is flooded. The key here is to be different. If you are selling the same product as thousands of others, you will end up fighting over small profits. But if you find a unique angle, you can sell it at a higher price and stand out. And here's my final tip. Keep researching and stay ahead. Dropshipping is always changing, so you cannot just find one good product and stop. If you want to stay ahead, you need to keep researching and testing. Here are some quick ways to do that. Check Doba new arrival every week. Doba constantly updates its catalog with new products. The sooner you find and start selling a fresh product, the lower the competition and the higher your chance of making good profits. Next is follow social media trends. Social media can make products go viral overnight. Keep an eye on TikTok and Instagram Reels, especially hashtags like #trending products products or hashtag TikTok make me buy it. If you see a product gaining traction, check if it is available on Doba and get in early. The next one is join Facebook dropshipping groups. Many successful dropshippers share their experience, strategy, and even trending products recommendation in these groups. Being part of these communities help you stay informed and avoid common mistakes. Next is test products in small batches. Instead of investing all your money into one product, order a few samples or test it with small ad budget. See how the products perform before scaling up. This way you minimize risks and focus on what's actually working. The key is to stay consistent, keep testing, keep learning, and sooner or later you will find that one winning product that take off. Alright, that is for today. Now you know exactly how to find high profit products on Doba and avoid common mistakes. If this video helps you out, hit that like button and subscribe. This really helps to me. Also drop a comment below and tell me which niche are you most excited about. I will be checking comments and dropping extra tips for the best one. So see you in this next one.